Feelings are the energy that fuels the manifestation of your desires. Neville Goddard.
There is a profound truth that often goes unnoticed. You are the creator of your life. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, and every emotion you feel contributes to the reality you experience. This is not a concept meant to be understood intellectually alone, but a truth that must be lived and embodied. You have within you the power to shape your life according to your desires, but this power requires recognition, acceptance, and deliberate action. Your life is not the result of random events or external forces beyond your control. Instead, it is a reflection of your inner world, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. The external circumstances you encounter are merely mirrors of your internal state. When you grasp this truth, you realize that you hold the reins of your life. You are not at the mercy of fate, luck, or other people. You are the author of your story, and every moment is an opportunity to write a new chapter. The first step in becoming the conscious creator of your life is to take responsibility for your thoughts. Thoughts are powerful creative forces, shaping your experiences in ways you may not even realize. Every thought you entertain plants a seed in the fertile soil of your consciousness. These seeds grow into the experiences and circumstances that make up your life. Therefore, it is essential to become aware of the thoughts you habitually think. Are they thoughts of lack, fear, and doubt, or are they thoughts of abundance, love, and confidence? To create the life you desire, you must consciously choose thoughts that align with that desire. This is not about forcing yourself to think positively all the time, but about recognizing that your thoughts are creative and choosing those that serve your highest good. When you focus your mind on what you want rather than on what you fear, you begin to direct the creative power within you toward the fulfillment of your desires. Beliefs are another crucial aspect of creating your life. Your beliefs act as the filters through which you perceive and interact with the world. They determine what you consider possible or impossible, easy or difficult, attainable or out of reach. Many of your beliefs were formed in childhood or through past experiences, and you may not even be aware of them. However, these unconscious beliefs can have a profound impact on the reality you create. To become the conscious creator of your life, it is essential to examine your beliefs and to change those that do not support your desires. This process requires introspection and honesty. Ask yourself what you believe about money, relationships, health, and success. Are these beliefs empowering or limiting? If they are limiting, it is time to let them go and replace them with beliefs that align with the life you want to create. Changing your beliefs is not always easy, as they are often deeply ingrained in your subconscious mind. However, with persistence and dedication, it is possible. One effective way to change your beliefs is through affirmations, positive statements that reflect the new beliefs you want to adopt. By repeating these affirmations consistently, you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. Feelings are the third key to creating your life. Your feelings are the energy that drives your thoughts and beliefs into manifestation. When you feel strongly about something, you give it power. This is true whether the feeling is positive or negative. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate feelings that align with the life you want to create. Feelings of love, joy, gratitude, and peace are powerful forces that attract positive experiences into your life. To create the life you desire, you must learn to master your emotions. This does not mean suppressing negative emotions or pretending to be happy all the time. Rather, it means becoming aware of your emotions, understanding their source, and choosing to focus on those that support your desired reality.
When you feel love, joy, and gratitude, you are in harmony with the creative power within you, and your desires manifest with greater ease.
Imagination is a powerful tool in the process of creating your life. It is the faculty that allows you to see beyond your current circumstances and to envision the life you want to create. Your imagination is not limited by the constraints of the physical world. In your imagination, you are free to explore new possibilities, to see yourself as the person you wish to be, and to live from that perspective. When you use your imagination consciously, you tap into the creative power within you. You begin to align your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings with the reality you desire. This alignment creates a vibrational match between your inner state and the experiences you attract into your life. The more vividly you imagine your desired reality, the more real it becomes in your consciousness and the more quickly it manifests in your physical world. To harness the power of your imagination, take time each day to visualize the life you want to create. See yourself living that life, experiencing the joy, love, and fulfillment that come with it. Feel the emotions of your desired reality as if it were already true. This practice helps to align your inner state with your desires, making it easier for them to manifest in your external reality. Living as the creator of your life requires faith, not blind faith in something outside of yourself, but faith in your own creative power. Faith is the assurance that your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are shaping your reality, even if you do not yet see the results. It is the confidence that what you desire is already yours, and that it is only a matter of time before it manifests in your physical world. Faith is not about wishing or hoping, it is about knowing. It is about trusting that the process of creation is unfolding perfectly, even if the timing is different from what you expected. When you have faith in your creative power, you are able to remain calm and centered, even in the face of challenges. You know that your external circumstances are temporary and that they will change as you continue to focus on your desired reality. One of the most important aspects of living as the creator of your life is taking inspired action. While your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are powerful creative forces, they must be accompanied by action. Action is the physical expression of your inner state, the means by which you bring your desires into the physical world. However, not all action is effective. To create the life you want, your actions must be aligned with your desires. Inspired action is action that flows naturally from your inner state. It is action that feels right, that is in harmony with your desires, and that moves you toward your goals with ease and grace. Inspired action is not forced or strained, it is effortless and joyful. When you take inspired action, you are in alignment with the creative power within you, and your actions have a greater impact. To take inspired action, listen to your inner guidance. Pay attention to the ideas, impulses, and opportunities that come to you. Trust your intuition and act on it, even if it seems unconventional or out of the ordinary. When you act from a place of inspiration, you are in harmony with your creative power, and your actions are more effective in bringing about the results you desire. Living as the creator of your life also means taking responsibility for your experiences. It means acknowledging that you are the source of everything you encounter, both the positive and the negative. This can be a difficult truth to accept, especially when faced with challenging circumstances. However, taking responsibility is empowering, for it means that you have the power to change your reality. By consciously choosing thoughts that support your goals and desires, you lay the foundation for creating the life you envision. This approach requires a shift in focus from external factors to internal empowerment.
Your beliefs also play a crucial role in this process. They color your perception and define what you consider possible.
Challenging and changing limiting beliefs can open doors to new opportunities and experiences. By adopting beliefs that align with your goals, you can reshape your reality to match your aspirations. Feelings are another vital aspect of creation. They act as the energy driving your thoughts and beliefs into reality. Cultivating positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude can significantly impact the experiences you attract. It's not about ignoring negative feelings, but about directing your emotional energy toward what you want to manifest. Imagination is a powerful tool for creating your desired reality. It allows you to visualize and emotionally experience the life you want. By vividly imagining your goals and desires, you create a mental blueprint that aligns your inner state with the reality you wish to achieve. This alignment enhances the manifestation process, making your desires more likely to materialize. Responsibility is a key element in this process. Recognizing that you are the source of your experiences shifts the focus from external blame to internal empowerment. By taking responsibility for your life, you understand that you have the power to change your circumstances by altering your inner state. Patience and persistence are important as well. Creating the life you desire is a process that takes time. Maintaining faith in your creative power and staying committed to your goals, even when challenges arise, is crucial. Your efforts, combined with trust in the process, will lead to the manifestation of your desires. As you move forward, use these insights to guide your journey. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings, aligning them with your goals, and taking inspired action. The power to create the life you want is within you. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more content like this. Sharing this video with friends and family who might find it useful is greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. We love hearing from you. And if you're ready to take control of your life, hit that subscribe button for more empowering content.